The factory panics. It can't process the energy fast enough. So it has to do something desperate with all that raw material.
It flips a switch called de novo lipogenesis. That's fancy science word for turn this sugar immediately. And it doesn't go to your thighs or belly. It stays right there, trapped inside the liver cells.
I know what you're thinking. Are oranges bad for me? No. And here is the secret mechanism that nobody tells you about.
It looks innocent. It's part of a complete breakfast. We've been told it's pure health in a glass.
Welcome to the Food Forecast. Today, we are tracking a storm brewing in your body, the orange juice lie.
You might not drink alcohol, but if you start your day with juice, your liver can't tell the difference. It's called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It used to be rare. Now, it's coming for our kids.
And here is the real culprit, the so-called healthy orange juice. To understand, we have to look closely. It isn't just sugar. It comes in two main forms, glucose and fructose. Glucose is the fuel. When you eat carbs, glucose enters your blood. Every cell in your body, your heart,
Your brain, your muscles, all cells grab it for energy.
but fructose, now this is a different sugar.
Your muscles can't use it. Your brain and heart can't use it.
There is only one organ in your entire body that can process fructose, the liver. Imagine your liver is a factory. Usually, it handles shipments easily.
But a glass of orange juice is like 100 delivery trucks arriving at the exact same second.
The factory panics. It can't process the energy fast enough. So it has to do something desperate with all that raw material.
It flips a switch called de novo lipogenesis. That's fancy science word for turn this sugar immediately. And it doesn't go to your thighs or belly. It stays right there, trapped inside the liver cells.
I know what you're thinking. Are oranges bad for me? No. And here is the secret mechanism that nobody tells you about.
It's called the fiber matrix. In a whole fruit, the fructose is trapped inside a web of fiber. When you eat the orange, that fiber acts like a regulator. It releases sugar slowly. Your liver can handle that.
Now, you would never eat 4 oranges in 30 seconds, but you can drink the sugar of 4 oranges in 10 seconds flat. Here is the scary part. Alcohol is actually fermented sugar. It's just sugar that bacteria have processed.
Your liver treats alcohol and fructose almost the same way. Both are toxic in high doses. Both create visceral fat.
This is why we are seeing 12-year-olds with the livers of 60-year-old alcoholics.
So, what is the solution? What habits should be changed?
Eat your fruit, don't drink it. As simple as peeling an orange.
Encourage your children to eat their fruit for more fiber. It's good for their gut health too.
If you want to know what 5 superfoods can heal your gut, click this video and hit that subscribe button. Which nutrition myths do you want me to debunk? Let me know in the comments.